Most of you have met with Zach, our mentor. I wanted to introduce you all to our new captain, Rishabh Pant. So welcome, Rishabh. We start with new aspirations, new hope, and most importantly, new confidence. So we haven't yet given Rishabh the LSG jersey, which I thought we will do in front of all of you. So if that's all right, may I do it?
Yes, yes. सर इस साइड भी थोड़ा सा टर्न। थैंक यू सो मच।
Behind the side thing
I'm going to request Rishabh to say a few words.
First of all, I have to say thank you everyone for coming here and making this more special. And I would like to say personal thank you to Sanjeev sir. Thank you for having me, Zach bhai, and whole LDC management for showing the faith in me. I will give my 200%, and that's my commitment to you. And I will try whatever it's in my power to repay this faith, what you have shown. And really excited to be part of the team. And looking forward to have new beginning with new energy and just have a blast out there, to have a lot of fun. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. I'll pass on this to Zach bhai, our mentor.
Thank you so much, Rishabh. A big congratulations to you. Rishabh, I remember you walking in that Delhi Daredevils dressing room just after under-19 India stint, and I was leading Delhi Daredevils that time. To see you grow as a fine cricketer, through your ups and downs, and growing into such a batter, such a cricketer, which is setting new standards, looking at the game differently, inspiring a new style of play is something which is very commendable. Just want to wish you all the luck with this franchise. Together we have lots to achieve, and you personally have a lot to give to this beautiful game of cricket. So we will be able to embark on this journey with a lot of hopes and aspirations, and with the support of such a great owner, Mr. Goenka, who is so motivated to give LSG the platform, the freedom to express ourselves and go out and achieve good things for this team. So we have a brand to build, and LSG, for all you guys, it's going to be an outfit which is going to play some fearless cricket, some exciting cricket, and is definitely going to be a team to look up to in coming years. So that's the journey we are on, and we want all your support in that journey. We want more and more people to connect with this franchise, start following it, love the franchise, give all the love, and we will earn all the respect and love of yours through our performances on the field, through our actions on the field as a team. That's what we are hoping for. So thank you very much for your time.
Orani from Times of India. Here, microphone to Orani.
Rishabh, this is not your first stint as an IPL captain. You have captained the Delhi franchise, and you have qualified a couple of times. This team has also qualified but has not gone the distance. Do you really think that you can go the distance this time? And what do you make of the team? Are you happy with the team that can take up the distance?
So definitely happy with the team. I say we have a mix of youth and experienced player, and for me also personally, you know, like you said, we haven't been through there where we wanted to be, but that's the journey. That's why we all are together at the same time. That all together, how can we take this franchise to newer heights, to newer beginnings, and that's the idea behind this collab, I would say, that let's take it together to a different height and just be on the journey together to enjoy that.
Shayuk from Telegram.
Hi Rishabh. So this is a fresh start for you. So could we expect any kind of tweaks in your approach?
I think I know it's a new beginning for me, new franchise, new owner, new setup, but I would say ideology of captaining a side doesn't change for me. Yes, see, as a cricketer, as a captain, you are always looking to improve, and we will add on a lot of things, which I feel we'll discuss it with the management, Zach Bhai, our coach, Justin, and then we'll see how we can take this forward in a better way.
Thank you.
Vijay Tagore.
Rishabh, my question is, you have a common link, Mr. Goenka and you, that is Gautam Gambhir, and you have recently worked with him. So I'm not going to ask you how is his performance in India, but has he given you any advices or suggestions on how to work with the LSG team and how to work with LSG only I'm asking.
Sir, I didn't understand the question. Can you elaborate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see, every day is a learning for everyone. And when we've had a great experience with Gigi, he's a great thinker, he's been a great player. We're now looking forward to our innings with Zach. And the more I interact with Zach, the more respect I walk away with. So wish us well, wish us more than good luck. We have all the ingredients, we have a great captain, we have a good team, we have a good mentor, we have a good coach. Now we need support from all of you. Just start understanding us a little more.
Okay. So we can take just a few questions now. Diman, can you just come to your question?
My question is to the Zahir and Rishabh. After the we had met you before the auction when you were unveiled as a mentor. That time some perhaps question marks were there on how the team would set up. Now that we've reached the post-auction stage and the IPL is coming, can you tell us a little bit about how you think the three left-handers in your middle order, including Rishabh, how are you planning to do it? Because we know in T20s, you cannot, wisdom says you cannot have three left-handers back-to-back. So how is Rishabh, or where will he bat?
Well, I think it's about, like I said, what brand of cricket you want to play. And to me, sometimes, when you're looking at left-hander is batting and left-arm spinner can't bowl, is a very overrated thing. A good bowler will be able to bowl to any batter. That's the way it should be. Similarly, a good batter should be able to deal with any kind of bowling. So if you have more left-handers, it can be a tactical edge also. And that's how we are looking at it. Honestly, I've not really looked at, okay, how many left-handers I want in my team. You know, as long as you have the balance, you have the options in your squad, your bases are covered. You know, so when I'm looking at our team, it's looking like a solid unit. You need to create that environment as you walk into the season. You want to make sure that the communication, the pillars of success for any team, which are very vital, we got to get that in place. And that starts with Rishabh being captain. And he's going to drive the whole unit in that way, so that the brand LSG, the kind of cricket which LSG wants to play, we will be able to deliver, and that we are very confident of.
Yeah, hi Rishabh, this side. Sandeep here from ABP News Network. Rishabh, first of all, congratulations. You have played under some great captains. Is there anyone you follow in terms of captaincy, and what is your mantra as a captain? You have already captained in IPL.
Yes, I have learned from a lot of captains, a lot of my seniors, because I feel you just don't have to only learn from your captain. I think there are a lot of senior players who have experienced of the game, the way game is moving forward. I think there's a lot of learning to be learned from all the seniors, not just the captain. But it's difficult to be very specific. Rohit Bhai is one. Like with Rohit Bhai, you have learned how to care for a player. Because I feel, and I feel the same as a captain when I captain a side. I feel if you give confidence and trust to a player, he will do things which you can't even imagine for you and for the team. And that's the kind of ideology we like to have. Like, we'll back the players, we'll try to give them trust, we'll have a clear communication, what kind of role we want for them. And that's the idea. And one thing is that never die attitude. Like, you fight till the last ball, and that is something I always emphasize on, that performance will come and go. But are you fighting enough? Are you giving your 100% when you are on the field? And that is something you can control as an individual. Because see, everyone gets tired, but eventually, how far are you willing to take it? Are you willing to give that extra 20-30% for the team, even though your body is not allowing? That's the kind of character we want in the team, and that's the kind of culture we're looking to build forward.
Hi Rishabh, I am Ivan, I work for the Hindustan Times newspaper. Rishabh, congratulations on being appointed captain. How do you look at a day like this? You are here, you've been named captain, there's media asking you questions. The India team is practicing 2 kilometers away and you're not part of the plan. How is this day for you personally? On the one hand you have this, and on the other.
No, we cannot comment on the...
Can we confine our questions to LSG, please?
One last question on LSG only.
No, this is not LSG, so please, I think, let's confine it to LSG.
One question I want to ask, Chandra from ETT Bharat. Your Super Giant sports franchisee is always a leader in sports field. In football, they are the leader. But now the Lucknow Super Giant is not the leader of the IPL. They are dominating, but not dominating not for in the huge amount. How much you are hopeful to turn around in your side in IPL world?
Very hopeful.
Like Mohan Bagan.
Very hopeful. You would remember that a few seasons ago, many of you were writing off Mohan Bagan. You were writing off our team. We came back with a vengeance. And with your support and blessings, we are doing well. Likewise, believe in us, support us, and I assure you that LSG will not disappoint you.
Are you advise them to take an example from Mohan Bagan?
You know, you take inspiration from everyone who's successful. Look at Mumbai Indians, look at CSK, look at the way they've gone about their business. Look at the consistency that they've got. the stability that they've got, the motivation that Rohit and Mahi bring to the team. So we have to learn from that. And you learn every day. You make mistakes, you learn from them. You fall down, stand up, run faster. So yes, the attempt is to delight our fans. Hopefully we will not be found wanting. Support us.